Got to take a swim. Oh, I don't think so. Join us as we head south for Milford Sound. So here we are at Cascade Creek. This is the registration booth for booking in. And the price is adults 15, children 5 to 17 years, $7.50 per night. Just going off for a walk to the Lake Gun Nature Walk, which they say is 45 minutes. Pretty mossy, isn't it? Yeah. It's over all the logs, the trees, everything.
Up at the snowy-capped mountains.
We've returned to the Te Aneiamotu Home Park for the night before getting up the next morning to carry on south. There's only a handful of people staying at the park for the night, so you can always find a space at this time of the year. Time again to go to the supermarket and replenish the fridge before heading south, because there's not too many shops down that way, at least until we get to Invercargill.
There's the main street in Te Aneiamotu. A few people around.
It's only about a 15-minute drive down to Manapouri where we stop for lunch. Drive down the end of the road here to where the boat harbour is, and hopefully we can find a spot to park up. This is Pearl Harbour. You leave for the tourist trips over to the Manapouri power station and Milford Sound. Just stop to have some lunch. So we continue south to Clifton. So we're at Clifton.
The Clifton Suspension Bridge is New Zealand's longest wooden suspension bridge. It spans 111.5 metres above the once mighty Waia River. It was opened in 1899 by Sir Joseph Ward, who I think actually became Prime Minister of New Zealand.
We were considering staying here in the parking area, which is made for camping, toilets provided, but on having a look at the area and nobody else around, we decided to move on to somewhere where it's a bit more populated. Well, it's certainly not too populated at Arapuki on the travel through. I think some of this could do with a good handyman. Some of these rural areas have been hit quite hard, but the pub survived, and the local fire brigade. Anyway, we're 1 minute from our destination around the corner. So here we are, arrived at Monkey Island. Man wants to go out to the island.
The tide's out, and when the tide comes in, you can't get to it. So
away we go.
Someone that tells
Here's the island right there.
Gotta find the opening though. go down.
We saw a few visitors. Mussels pushing up the rocks here. It's a great facility, and you think it's free with toilets and plenty of room for campers. Well, it's been raining on and off here today, so we're just taking the chance while the sky's blue to get the bikes out. We've had the odd ride down a beach before, and we thought we'll give this one a try. Hopefully we're going to get down to Gemstone Beach, which is a short trip back in the camper, or a trip down the beach on the bikes. You can guess which is my bike by the height of the seat. You're away. Well, we're just back from our bike trip and ended in a bit of disaster. Went all the way down the beach to Gemstone Beach, and one of the bikes conked out, got stuck in the sand. So anyway, we're back now and it's all good, and we'll get the bike fixed up when we go back to Dunedin. So I gave them a good wash down with fresh water when we got back, and we'll deal with that later. Oh, it's a wee spot, is it? I like the feather touch.
I found it down there.
In the hat.
I found it on the ground actually. But there's a whole lot of people swimming up here.
Oh, not a bad outlook. With snow on the hills, Amanda was the only one brave enough to get in the water. 3, 2, 1. Yeah. Come on. Before we go too far this morning, there's one important thing to do before we hit the road. Alright, just going to go and have a coffee. We're at Urapuki, I think I pronounce it, which is very, very close to where we were staying at Monkey Island.
Tip from the lady at the cafe who got tired of her glasses fogging up. So you get shaving cream, you put it front and back, and apparently it lasts all day.
We're off to Cozy Nook now that we've had our coffee. I've had, what was mine? Onion broth soup. Bye Monkey Island.
Yeah.
Here we are at the turn off to Cozy Nook.
Oh, there it is, yeah. 5k in. There's Cozy Nook, what does it say? Solander Islands. Yeah, there's Solander Rocks. Road down here. Fishing huts.
Oh, look at that, it's quite nice.
Yeah.
Big fishing huts over there. Good your eyesight, Cozy Nook.
Named by Captain George Thompson, the Bluff Harbour Master, after his homeland Scottish village Cozy Nook. Go through all the houses. There.
That. Some great wee batches. Or cribs as we say down here. I love this one, he's got his boat parked up right beside the house. Got the caravan in there for holidays. Right on the edge of the water. Perfect. It is Another quick hop over to Colic Bay.
So we're now in Colic Bay. Look at the surf there on there, pretty cool. Colic Bay Tavern. Campervan Park. It's a tsunami street here. 2 k's along for Campervan Park. And right here.
In the final part of our journey over to Invercargill via Riverton. Just going over the Riverton Bridge where the estuary is here. And we've already had our coffee. A quick drive down the main street. We're making our way to Invercargill. At the Invercargill Motorhome Association site. Yeah, it's quite unique, the old boat. Here we are, they've made it all nice inside. Last time it was just shells on the floor. Bit of an information bit there, and box to fill out while you're staying. If you're looking for a quiet stroll, you wander out the back of the motorhome park along the track which borders the estuary. Looks like the tide's in. Looking gorgeous. So with it being time to head back to Dunedin, a quick look around Invercargill town, Queen's Park. One of the most noticeable things about Invercargill at the moment is the redevelopment project that's going on. They're trying to put some vibrance and life back into the city, get rid of some earthquake-prone buildings and put their city back on the map. There's a lot of capital works going on, providing a lot of employment. Anyway, this is the end of the video. We're off back to Dunedin and leave you with the sun setting at Monkey Island. Thanks for watching.